Hi guys, here we've got Galaxy S8 Plus, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, now find and pick biometrics and security, and here just click on fingerprints. And if you wish to add it, just tap on continue. Here you need to set some backup to your fingerprint, so it can be pattern, pin code or password. Let me choose pattern. We can enter L letter, then click on continue, re-enter it, tap on confirm. And now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. So as you can notice here, your sensor is located on the back cover of your device, right here. So you need to keep tapping on the sensor. So just place your fingerprint on the sensor, lift your finger up, and then place it there again. So just like this. You can add your fingerprint and just wait till it's fully added. And that's it. Click on done. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So just tap on the sensor and your device is unlocked. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.